Hello and welcome back to Consumer Times. The invisible science behind every electronic device you own is getting a major upgrade. In this episode of Consumer Times, we explore the latest breakthroughs in electromagnetic metrology and what they mean for the products in your home. From faster 5G networks to safer medical devices, these advances are quietly revolutionizing consumer protection and product quality. Hello and welcome back to Consumer Times, where we decode the technology that shapes your daily life. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar. Today, we're diving into a field that's invisible to most consumers but absolutely critical to every electronic device you touch: electromagnetic metrology. And recent advances in this science are about to change how we test, regulate, and trust the technology around us. Electromagnetic metrology is essentially the precise measurement of electromagnetic fields and their effects. Think of it as the quality control system for our increasingly connected world. Every smartphone, laptop, wireless router, and smart home device emits electromagnetic energy, and metrology ensures these emissions stay within safe limits while maintaining optimal performance. Without accurate electromagnetic measurements, we couldn't guarantee that your phone won't interfere with aircraft navigation systems, or that your microwave won't disrupt your Wi-Fi connection. The field has experienced remarkable breakthroughs in recent years, driven largely by the explosion of wireless devices and the rollout of 5G networks. Traditional measurement techniques, some dating back decades, simply couldn't keep pace with modern technology's complexity and speed. One of the most significant advances involves the development of ultra-wideband measurement systems that can capture electromagnetic signatures across unprecedented frequency ranges in real time. These systems use advanced signal processing algorithms and machine learning to detect interference patterns that would have been impossible to identify just 5 years ago. Another game-changing development is the emergence of near-field scanning techniques that create detailed three-dimensional maps of electromagnetic emissions from devices. Imagine being able to see exactly where your smartphone's antenna is radiating energy, down to the millimeter level. This precision allows engineers to optimize device designs for better performance while minimizing unwanted electromagnetic pollution. For consumers, this translates directly into longer battery life, stronger signal reception, and reduced interference between devices in your home. The integration of artificial intelligence into electromagnetic testing represents perhaps the most revolutionary advance. AI-powered metrology systems can now predict how new devices will behave in complex electromagnetic environments before they're even built. This predictive capability is crucial as we move toward a world where everything from your refrigerator to your car is connected to the internet. The traditional approach of testing devices in isolation is no longer sufficient when a single home might contain dozens of interconnected wireless devices. These advances have profound implications for consumer safety and product quality. Enhanced metrology capabilities mean that potential electromagnetic compatibility issues can be identified and resolved much earlier in the product development process. This reduces the likelihood of product recalls due to interference problems and ensures that new devices work seamlessly with existing technology in your home. For consumers, this means fewer frustrating experiences with devices that don't play well together, and greater confidence in the electromagnetic safety of products. The medical device industry has particularly benefited from these metrology advances. Modern medical implants like pacemakers and insulin pumps must operate flawlessly in environments filled with electromagnetic signals from smartphones, Wi-Fi networks, and other wireless devices. Advanced electromagnetic testing now ensures these life-critical devices maintain their functionality even in the most electromagnetically noisy environments, providing peace of mind for millions of patients worldwide. Looking toward the future, these metrology advances are enabling entirely new categories of consumer products. The Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality systems all depend on precise electromagnetic measurements to function safely and effectively. Without the ability to accurately characterize and predict electromagnetic behavior, these technologies would remain laboratory curiosities rather than consumer realities. The emergence of millimeter wave frequencies for 5G communications has particularly driven innovation in metrology. These higher frequencies behave differently than traditional radio waves, requiring entirely new measurement techniques and standards. The development of specialized metrology equipment for these frequencies has been crucial in ensuring that 5G networks can deliver their promised performance improvements while maintaining electromagnetic compatibility with existing devices. For the average consumer, these advances mean living in a world where technology just works better. Your devices will have fewer compatibility issues, longer battery life, and more reliable connections. The electromagnetic environment around you will be better managed and safer. Product recalls due to electromagnetic interference will become increasingly rare as manufacturers can identify and resolve issues before products reach market. As we continue to surround ourselves with ever more sophisticated electronic devices, the invisible science of electromagnetic metrology becomes increasingly important. Please feel free to leave a comment and motivate us by subscribing Consumer Times for more updates, as these recent advances ensure that our connected future will be not just more convenient, but also safer and more reliable. The next time you seamlessly connect a new device to your home network without interference, you'll have electromagnetic metrology to thank for that smooth experience.